Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Drable. I know you have been waiting. Since the spring has come, I have revised the spring makeup video that I created last year. This edition is totally different than the last one that I already posted. Actually, I'm not that interested in a natural makeup, but whatever. If you are interested in the previous one, please refer this link. Or maybe there. This video is more for real, natural, simple makeup. Please enjoy watching it. Love ya! Today, I'm going to post a pink tone makeup that some of you will enjoy. As you can see, I already put cool tone lip balm to show you all. Here is Le Blanc base from Chanel that everyone knows. I'm going to apply it very thin using a pore brush. I've been using this product for quite a long time. This particular color has been reproduced and its container has been changed. This time, I'm using Balm Blusher to correct the color that will help you to give vitality and cover the dark circles. For the next step, it's time for the foundation. I used a brush to apply Le Blanc for the base, but I switched it to a puff because the brush has a tendency to push down the base. As I promised, today's concept is RNSM. I'll use a shading stick with a natural dark color. To do that, simply outline your face with the stick and gently pat the line with a puff. Ooh, very good! It's not getting dark yet. A promise is a promise. I had to change the order of my makeup routine for the RNSM. I don't know why, but I got an idea to add a highlighter this time. I was really careful using the highlighter to give a natural glow and added it more under the eyebrows and the filter. Now, it is time for the eye primer. In the second step of contouring, I slightly put shading just around the outside of the face as soft as possible. For the natural look, I'm going to take off the color at the beginning of the eyebrows, and I barely touch the entire nose except around the tip and top of nose. Now, I think it's a good time to draw my brows while the color is added. Using a palette full of spring energy for my pink makeup. Let's put this right in my crease to make my eyes look deeper. I'm undo the other side and blend it up near to my brows. Don't forget to underneath area. Actually, this one is originally a blush, but I needed the brightest color for the base. Next, I picked the most saturated color, which name is Hot Pre. Start from the outer edge. We can do a little windscreen wiper motions, then blend it out to the crease line. I'm going to use bright pearl color, which has a white tone in it. It will lighten the area from the front of the eyes to the lower eyelids. Remember, don't forget to use the brush for this natural makeup. I'm gonna add some glitter right in my inner corner, which one that I was most curious about. It glows like a hologram depending on the angle, and I've just learned that after the makeup is over, This color gives more sexier look when I use my fingertips rather than the brush. Then draw an eyeliner guideline on the corner of the eyes with a darker color. Layer a calm pinky pearl on the center of my eyes. With the first color that I drew the eye area, I released the boundaries of each color. As I expected, the eye makeup is getting dark again. So I need to relax my wrist and remove the color 3 to 4 times with the brush that I have highlighted. I thought a long and thin eyeliner would look good on my makeup today, so I drew it closely to the beginning of the eyelashes. Using only the remaining color of the brush, apply a little bit dark shadow underneath, so you guys can see my eyes look a little more open. Using a color, carefully paint every single eyelashes with mascara. The color of my lip balm seems to be standing out too much, so after erasing the lip color with foundation, I'm going to apply pink coral lipstick. I use my finger to loosen the lip line, and I'll unify the blusher with the same color. To finish my makeup, here goes the lip gloss. I wish you guys enjoyed this tutorial and see you next video. Bye!